Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find passwords and accounts. Let's tap on it. Now in this accounts for owner we have to tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. And then you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Here Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on it and read it, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we have to decide whether we want to back up our contacts. I don't want to turn on the backup right now. Not now. Of course you can do it, I mean you can add all of the data, but I don't want to. Simply tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will be immediately removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.